So we're going to do a little bit of practice of this, okay? Specifically focusing on the word order, because in my experience as a teacher, word order is the thing that students find hardest when it comes to conditionals. So I'm going to show you a jumbled sentence. So all the words all mixed up. And on your own, I want you to unjumble the sentences. And as soon as you've unjumbled it, you put your hand up and we stop the game. So it's all about speed, okay? To participate, they force if the students have stage fright, don't. Go. Yep, okay, stop. Alicia, right? Okay, do you want to come up and put them in the right place for me? Let's see if you are correct. So just click on the word and drag it down. Okay, that's an easy one, right? We had the capital letter to help us. Now drop it, yeah. Perfect. Great. Do we all agree? Yeah, let's just check it. Very good. Good job, Alicia. Okay, slightly differently. I'm going to make it more challenging for you. I'm going to dictate it to you. So I will dictate the words. You write them down on your paper. And then when you have all of the words, you unscramble it. So it's more of a challenge. So are we ready? Better. Feel. Counted. 10. You. Would. If. You. To. So I'll read them again. Better, feel, counted 10, you would if, you to. Go. Yeah, got it. Okay.
About speed again?
Sorry?
Was it about speed again?
Yeah, absolutely. Always about speed. Okay, good. No, that's fine. Perfect, Stefan. Tell me the answer.
I would feel better.
You mean you would feel better?
Yeah, sorry, I meant
I know you did. You
You
would
feel better if you counted. Feel better if you counted to 10.
Perfect. Okay, good stuff. Right, we'll do one more. Let's get a different winner this time. I'm going to dictate it again. Are we ready? You, it, will, on, stage, your, if, help, to, overcome, fear, go. And I'll help you. The first word is if. I'll repeat them again. You, it, will, on stage, your, if, help, to overcome, fear, go. First word, if. Again, as soon as you're ready, put your hand up. You think so? Okay, good, Anina. Got a different winner again. Let's go. Tell me what you think.
If you overcome your fear, it will help to go to stage.
Okay, if you... Do we agree with that? If you go on stage, it'll help to overcome your... We all agree with that?
Yes.
Let's just check it. Correct. Good job. Okay, we're going to do a quick bit of sort of speaking practice with this. I'm going to give you a situation, and I want you to tell me what you would do in that situation or how you would feel. So, for example, I want you to imagine that you're leaving school, you're going to drive home, you open the car door, and you see a big snake on your seat. How do you feel? What do you do? What would you do? Any ideas?
I close the door.
I
will close.
I would. It's not, is it likely or unlikely?
I would close the door.
I would close the door and run away. Maybe. Yeah? Very calm though, Anina. Very calm. Anyone else? What would you do? Or how would you
Check
feel?
on my phone if it's a poisonous.
Nice. I would check on my phone if it's point. Yeah, very good. Yeah, I think all snakes are quite dangerous maybe. They'll just strangle you otherwise. Any other suggestions? No? Okay, that's fine. Okay, okay, so you've got the snake out of your car, you've driven home, you've had your meal, it's time for bed. You go into your bedroom, you pull back the bed covers, and you see a big, hairy spider in your bed. What would you do? How would you feel?
I would burn the house.
Okay, very good, Stefan. I would burn the house.